I am the liver, a vital organ located in the upper right side of the abdomen. I lie just under the rib cage, which protects me from injury. Ooh. The diaphragm sits above me and separates me from the lungs. My shape is smooth and wedge-like. I am the largest internal organ in the human body. I am divided into right and left lobes. My right lobe is significantly larger than my left lobe. My lower surface has impressions from nearby organs. These impressions reflect close contact with surrounding organs. The gallbladder is attached to my inferior surface. I continuously produce bile. Bile drains through many small ducts inside me. These ducts unite to form the common hepatic duct. Bile can flow into the gallbladder for storage. Bile is delivered to the intestine for digestion. I receive blood from two major sources. The portal vein brings nutrient-rich blood for the digestive system. The hepatic artery supplies oxygen-rich blood. Blood flows through specialized channels within me. Processed blood leaves me through hepatic veins. Now let us look at my microscopic structure. My basic structural unit is the liver lobule. Blood flows toward the central vein. Each corner contains a portal triad. Each portal triad contains a vein, an artery, and a bile duct. Blood travels through channels called sinusoids. This design allows efficient exchange with liver cells. Hepatocytes are my main functional cells. Kupffer cells help remove bacteria and debris. This space allows substances to move between blood and cells. Bile is secreted into tiny channels between liver cells. Bile flows opposite to blood flow. A thin capsule surrounds and protects me. Ligaments help keep me securely in place. This ligament separates my two main lobes. It is a remnant from fecal circulation. 1. I work closely with nearby digestive organs. All parts of my structure work together. Efficient structure supports effective function. Understanding my anatomy is the foundation of understanding